Hi, everyone. Welcome to English Coffee Time.
Hey there, I'm Neo.
And I'm Emma. This is English Coffee Time, the channel where we talk in real, everyday American English, but slowly and clearly, perfect for beginners and intermediate learners.
Every day, we upload a new long conversation, 30 to 50 minutes, so you can listen while you drink your coffee, walk, drive, or do chores. Just press play and let the English flow into your ears.
Listening regularly is the secret to getting really good at English fast, so please hit that red subscribe button right now and also tap the bell so you never miss a new episode.
Exactly. Turn on notifications and let's grow together. We're so happy you're here.
Okay, ready for today's coffee chat? Today we're talking about planning for tomorrow. We'll share our plans, tips for good planning, and some fun memories from past days.
Yes, planning helps make your day better and less stressful. We'll go slow, repeat important phrases, and explain everything. Let's start.
Hey Neo, how are you today? I was thinking about tomorrow because I have a busy day ahead. What are your plans for tomorrow?
Hi, Emma. I'm good, thanks. Tomorrow sounds interesting. Let me think. First, I usually start my day early. I wake up at 6 in the morning. Do you wake up early too?
Not always. Sometimes I wake up at 7, but tomorrow I plan to wake up at 6:30. I want to have time for breakfast and exercise. What do you do after you wake up?
After I wake up, I make my bed. It's a simple habit, but it makes me feel organized. Then I drink a glass of water. Hydration is important, right? It means drinking enough water to stay healthy.
Yes, hydration is key. I do that too. Tomorrow, after waking up, I'll make coffee. Coffee helps me start the day. Do you drink coffee in the morning?
Absolutely. Black coffee for me, no sugar. Then I check my to-do list. A to-do list is a list of things you need to do. I write it the night before. It helps me plan.
That's a good idea. I should make a to-do list tonight for tomorrow. What's on your list for tomorrow?
First thing, exercise. I go for a run in the park. It's about 30 minutes. Running makes me feel energetic. Energetic means full of energy.
I like that. Tomorrow, I plan to do yoga at home. Yoga is good for relaxing and stretching. I started yoga last year, and it changed my mornings.
Nice. After exercise, I take a shower and get dressed. I choose my clothes the night before to save time.
Smart tip. Saving time is important when you have a busy day. After yoga, I'll eat breakfast. What do you eat for breakfast?
Usually oatmeal with fruits. Oatmeal is healthy and quick to make. Fruits like bananas or apples add flavor.
I love oatmeal too. Tomorrow, I'll have eggs and toast. Eggs give protein, which is good for energy.
Protein is fuel for the body. Good choice. After breakfast, I check emails. I work from home, so I start work at 8.
I work in an office. Tomorrow, I need to leave home at 8 to catch the bus. Traffic can be bad, so I plan extra time.
Traffic means many cars on the road, making it slow. Yes, always plan for delays. What's your work plan for tomorrow?
At work, I have a meeting at 9. A meeting is when people talk about work together. I need to prepare notes.
Meetings can be long. I have one at 10 tomorrow. After that, I'll work on a project. A project is a big task with many parts.
My project tomorrow is writing a report. A report is a document with information. It might take 3 hours.
Reports need focus. Focus means paying attention without distractions. I turn off my phone during work time.
Good habit. I'll try that tomorrow. What about lunch? Do you pack lunch or eat out?
I pack lunch from home. It's healthier and cheaper. Tomorrow, I'll make a salad with chicken and vegetables.
Eating out means going to a restaurant. Tomorrow, I'll eat out with a friend at work. We go to a cafe nearby.
That sounds fun. Lunch breaks are good for relaxing. A break is time to rest during the day.
Yes. After lunch, back to work until 5. Then I plan to go shopping. I need groceries. Groceries are food items from the store.
I do shopping on weekends, but tomorrow I need milk and bread. Quick stop at the store after work.
After shopping, I'll cook dinner. Tomorrow, pasta with sauce. Simple and tasty.
Pasta is easy. I'll make stir-fry vegetables with rice. Stir-fry means cooking quickly in a pan.
Then, evening time. I plan to read a book. Reading helps me relax before bed.
I like watching a movie or TV show. Tomorrow may be a comedy. Comedy means funny stories.
Sometimes I call family. Tomorrow, I'll call my mom. We talk about our days.
Family time is important. Now let's talk about why planning is good. It reduces stress. Stress is feeling worried.
Yes, when I plan, I sleep better. Last year, I didn't plan, and I forgot things, like I forgot my keys once.
Memories. I remember a day when I didn't plan. I woke up late, missed breakfast, and was tired all day.
Tell me more about that memory.
It was 2 years ago. I had an important meeting. I stayed up late watching TV. The next morning, alarm didn't ring. I rushed, no shower, grabbed wrong papers. Meeting was a mess.
Oh no, but you learned from it?
Yes, now I set 2 alarms and prepare everything night before. What about you? Any funny planning story?
Sure. Last summer, I planned a picnic, but I didn't check the weather. It rained. We ate under umbrellas, laughing.
That's fun. Rain made it memorable. Memories are stories from the past.
Now I plan weather checks. Apps like weather.com help.
Apps are useful. I use a planner app on my phone. It reminds me of tasks.
I use a notebook. Writing by hand helps me remember.
Both work. Let's think about weekend plans, but focus on tomorrow. Any free time tomorrow?
After dinner, yes. Maybe walk in the park. Walking clears my mind.
I plan to clean my room tomorrow evening. Cleaning makes space feel nice.
Cleaning is satisfying. Satisfying means it feels good after.
Before bed, I review my day. Review means think about what happened.
I do that too. Then set alarm for next day.
Bedtime at 10 for me. Sleep is important. 8 hours.
Me too. Good sleep makes tomorrow better.
Let's share more tips. Tip 1. Write 3 main goals for tomorrow.
Goals are things you want to achieve, like finish report, exercise, call mom.
Tip 2. Be flexible. Flexible means you can change if needed.
Yes, if meeting cancels, use time for something else.
Tip 3. Reward yourself. Reward is something nice after hard work.
Like, after work, eat ice cream.
Yes. Now, another memory. When I was a student, I planned study time, but friends called. We played games instead.
Students often do that. I remember planning to study but watched videos. Next day, test was hard.
Lessons learned. Planning helps balance work and fun.
Balance means equal parts.
Tomorrow, I have fun plan. Meet a friend for coffee after work.
Nice. Social time is good.
Social means with people.
My tomorrow includes learning something new, maybe English words.
Great for our listeners. Practice English daily.
Yes. Now, let's role-play planning a day.
Okay, you start.
Tomorrow, wake up at 7. Exercise for 20 minutes.
Then, breakfast, fruit, and yogurt.
Work from 8 to 12. Lunch break.
Afternoon, finish tasks, then relax.
Evening, cook, read, sleep.
Perfect role play.
Let's extend it. What if unexpected happens?
Like rain during walk, then read inside.
Flexible planning.
Another story. Once planned travel but flight delayed. I read book at the airport and made it okay.
Delays happen. Patience is key. Patience means waiting calmly.
Yes, planning includes backups. Backups are extra plans.
Like, if bus late, take taxi.
Good. Now health and planning. Plan meals, exercise.
Mental health, too. Time for hobbies. Hobbies are fun activities.
My hobby is playing guitar. Tomorrow, 15 minutes.
I like drawing. Maybe tomorrow.
Share a childhood memory. As kids, Mom planned our days: school, play, homework.
My dad did that. It taught me organization.
Organization means being tidy and planned.
Yes, now as adults, we plan ourselves.
Let's list daily routines. Routine is a regular habit.
Wake up, brush teeth, eat, work, sleep.
Add variety. Variety means different things.
Like, try new food tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow, new recipe.
Recipe is instructions for cooking.
Share one. Simple salad. Lettuce, tomato, dressing.
Easy, I'll try.
More tips. Use timers. Timers remind you.
For work tasks.
Avoid multitasking. Multitasking is doing many things at once. Bad for focus.
Do one thing well.
Yes. Memory? I multitasked. Made mistakes.
Me too. Now, single task.
Planning tools. Calendars, apps like Google Calendar.
I use it. Colors for different tasks.
Colors help visualize. Visualize means see in mind.
Yes, tomorrow's color, blue, for calm.
Fun. Let's talk night routine.
Night, prepare clothes, make list, relax.
Read or meditate. Meditate means quiet thinking.
Help sleep.
Dream planning. Dreams are night thoughts.
But day planning makes dreams real.
True. Another memory. Planned a birthday party. Surprise for a friend. It was great.
Surprises are fun, planned well.
Yes. Involve others in plans sometimes.
Like family plans.
Tomorrow, plan with roommate. Clean together.
Teamwork.
Teamwork makes it faster.
Now, long-term planning, but focus tomorrow.
Tomorrow is step to the future.
Small plans build big success.
Success means achieving goals.
Yes, let's repeat tips.
1. Wake early.
2. Make list.
3. Be flexible.
4. Reward self.
5. Review day.
Great list.
Role play again. Busy tomorrow.
Wake at 6. Run. Work meeting.
Lunch with team. Shop. Cook.
Read. Sleep.
Add unexpected. Friend calls.
Then short talk.
Balanced.
More stories?
Once planned hike. Weather good. Saw beautiful views.
Hike means walk in nature.
Yes. Memorable.
I planned a beach day. Swam, relaxed.
Beach is fun.
Plan rest days too.
Rest prevents burnout. Burnout is too tired from work.
Yes.
Tomorrow, easy evening.
Me too.
Let's think seasons. Winter plans different.
Indoor activities.
Like reading.
Summer, outdoor.
Yes.
Holidays planning.
But tomorrow, normal day.
Still plan.
Yes.
I think we covered a lot.
Yes. Planning is life skill.
Skill means ability.
Practice it.
So that was today's conversation about planning for tomorrow.
Now we have a question for you.
What are your plans for tomorrow? Or share a funny memory about a day that didn't go as planned.
Tell us in the comments, what is one thing on your to-do list for tomorrow?
And which planning tip will you try?
We love reading your comments, and they help us make better videos for you.
If this conversation helped you, please subscribe to English Coffee Time.
Stay with us and practice regularly.
Little steps every day lead to big progress.
See you next time.
Right here on English Coffee Time.
And if you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and turn on the bell so you get a new coffee chat regularly.
Thank you for spending your coffee time with us. See you tomorrow, same time, same place.
Bye for now. Take care and keep practicing.